Today I will discuss about the cable code. In the cable data set, if you see uh, there is a code. Suppose you can see in the data sheet it is mentioned AYWY. So what does it mean? Or A2XWY. So from this code we can understand the cable construction. Cable construction about its conductor, about its insulation, its inner sheath or outer sheath, whether the cable is armored or non-armored. So let's start. This will be a very short video, but it will be helpful, I think. So the first letter, this is the conductor, cable conductor material. So whether it is made of aluminium or copper conductor. So if it is aluminum conductor, then the first letter will come alphabetic. This is A. If it is copper, then it will come Y. That means the first letter A means we can understand the cable conductor is made of aluminium. Next letter is coming Y. This is for the insulation. Suppose this is for PVC insulation. This is for PVC insulation. If you say for XLP cable, here as you can see this XLP insulation, the code will be 2x, and if it is PVC insulation, then it will be denoted by Y. Next is coming the armoring. So the cable, if the cable is armored cable and it is steel round wire armor, then the code will come as W. So the third letter is W. If it is mentioned as W, that means it is armored cable and it is made of steel wire armored, steel round wire armor. And if it is mentioned as F, then it is steel strip armor, steel strip armor. Or if it is WW, then it will be steel double round wire armor. Generally this is not used in the industrial applications. This W is widely used and F also used. Next is you see, if it is double F, then steel double strip armor. Okay, this is also not too much used. Generally this W and F, these are mostly used. And last code Y, this is for PVC outer sheath. So the outer sheath material, outer sheath, what we can see from the outside of a cable, that is the outer sheath. Generally it is black. In some cases it is red also. For firefighting or emergency or DG cables it is red color, otherwise it is black. So it will be specified as per the specification requirement. So if the code is mentioned AYWY, that means the cable is constructed of aluminum conductor, then Y for PVC insulation, then W for steel round wire armor, and last Y is for PVC outer sheath. So this is the cable construction. And for generally for medium voltage, and also for 1100 volt XLP insulation cable, this is the cable construction A2XWY. Here A for aluminum conductor, if it is copper it will be Y, instead of A it will be Y, but this is aluminum conductor. And then 2x is for XLP insulation, and then W means the same steel round wire armor, and the last Y same thing, it is coming as PVC outer sheath. So what is the difference between this AYWY and A2XWY? The only thing is that insulation. AYWY means it is PVC insulation, and A2XWY means it is XLPE insulation. So this is the basic difference. If where this W is not appearing, or W or F, these letters are not appearing in the code, that means it will be unarmored cable. That means the cable is not armored. Here also, if it is only A2XY, that means it is aluminum conductor, XLPE and PVC outer sheath, unarmored cable. Here also, if it is AYY, that means W is not there, that means this cable also not armored.